Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we created our first glowing button. Today we will make our second button. This button has an outline and when we hover over it, a soft glow expands from the button and makes it look more attractive. We will keep it simple and go step by step. So let's start and creating our second button. Okay, now let's move on to our second button, which is the outline expanding glow button. I have already created the button in the HTML with a span inside it for the text. So we will start straight in the CSS. I am starting with btn 2 selector. First I am setting position relative because we will use a pseudo element inside it. Then I am adding padding 14 pixel 42 pixel to give some space inside the button. Next font size 1.1 RAM so the text looks nice and readable. I'm setting the text color to our pink variable. Now I'm keeping the background transparent because I don't want any fill, just the border and glow. I'm adding a border 2 pixels solid with the same pink color and making the edge fully rounded using border radius 50 pixel to give it that pill shaped look. And I will add cursor pointer so it behaves like a button and overflow hidden so any animated glow stays inside the button. I'm also adding transition color 0.3 second S so the text color changes smoothly on hover. Now I am moving on to the after pseudo element. I'm writing between two after first content because every pseudo element needs some content. I'm setting position absolute so it sits inside the button. Then I am using inset 0 to make it cover the full width and height of the button. I'll be use border radius inherent so it copies the rounded shape of the button. I'm giving it a background with the pink color. Now here is the trick of the animation. I'm keeping it hidden at first by adding transform scale 0 so it's fully shrunk. I lower the opacity to 0.225 so when it appears it looks like a soft glow. And I am adding a smooth transition for both transform and opacity so the animation feels nice. Next I am setting Z index 0 here so it stays behind the text. To make sure the button text stays on top, I am going back to the button 2 span and adding position relative with Z index 1. Now for the hover effect, in between 2 hover, I am changing the text color to white and I am also adding a glowing box shadow using the pink color to give it a nice neon look. Finally, in between 2 hover after, I am scaling it back up to 1 so the glow smoothly expands outward and slightly increasing its opacity to zero point 0.3 to make the effect more visible. And that's it. Our second button is done with a smooth expanding glow. So friends, in today's video we created this second button which shows a nice expanding glow effect on hover. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.